Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This video is going to be about flipping an object. There's two ways to do it. The way I normally do it is Control D to make a duplicate. And then get the two-sided arrow and while holding down the control button, it'll flip it like that. Well, you can use the mirror key right here, but if you look, if we mirror it, it mirrors it. Well, I didn't make a duplicate of it. Let me back up. Control D, and if we mirror it, it mirrors it right on top. So to get around that, your object origin, which is gone right now because we don't have anything selected. If we select on an object, here's your object origin. You can see it's in the middle. Well, if we want it to mirror to the left like the other way, you can click right there to the left. And now when we Control G and make a duplicate and mirror it, it will mirror it like that. So think about that next time you're doing something. Normally, default, it's going to be in the center, which is good enough. And it's really faster just to use this, because if you want Control D and make a duplicate and then get the two-sided arrow and mirror it down by hand, it's a lot easier. But if you have a lot to do or a lot of items to mirror, well, let's just do that. Let's set our object origin. See, it's gone, nothing selected. Let's go to the left and let's mirror it the other way. Mirror it the other way. Now, if we want these to go that way, we'll put it to the right. We can actually select both those and mirror them, and they go to the right. Pretty handy device inside of CorelDRAW. I still use the control 99% of the time just because it's easier than moving that object. But that's going to be your default. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.